Fire, the original cooking gadget, changed everything. It was a revolutionary discovery that transformed the way our ancestors lived. Imagine a world where the only option was to eat raw food, with all its risks and limitations. Fire was a game-changer, providing not just a means to cook, but also a source of warmth and protection from predators. It was the cornerstone of human development, setting the stage for countless innovations to come. Before fire, our ancestors ate raw food. This meant they were exposed to harmful bacteria and parasites, which often led to illness and even death. Raw food was also harder to digest, requiring more energy and time to consume. The discovery of fire allowed early humans to cook their food, making it safer to eat and easier to digest. This simple yet profound change had a ripple effect on human evolution, impacting everything from our physical health to our social structures. Fire brought warmth, safety, and the ability to cook. It became a central part of daily life, a gathering point for communities. Around the fire, stories were told, knowledge was shared, and bonds were formed. The ability to cook food not only made it safer, but also unlocked new flavors and textures, turning eating into a more enjoyable and communal experience. The fire was more than just a tool. It was a catalyst for social interaction and cultural development. Cooking made food safer and tastier. The heat from the fire killed harmful pathogens, reducing the risk of foodborne illnesses. It also broke down tough fibers in meat and plants, making them easier to chew and digest. This not only improved the nutritional value of the food, but also allowed early humans to spend less time eating and more time on other activities, such as hunting, gathering, and socializing. The benefits of cooking were manifold, contributing to the overall well-being and advancement of human societies. It also allowed us to get more nutrients from our food. Cooking made certain vitamins and minerals more accessible, enhancing our diet and supporting brain development. This nutritional boost played a crucial role in the evolution of our species, giving us the energy and cognitive capacity to develop new skills and technologies. The simple act of cooking had far-reaching implications, influencing everything from our physical health to our intellectual growth. Fire was the start of it all. It was the first step in a long journey of culinary innovation. Early humans learned to control fire, mastering the art of creating and maintaining it. This knowledge was passed down through generations, becoming a fundamental part of human culture. The ability to make fire on demand was a skill that set us apart from other species, giving us a unique advantage in the natural world. Control of fire led to the first cooking tools. As our ancestors became more adept at using fire, they began to develop tools to enhance their cooking methods. Simple implements like sticks and stones were used to hold food over the flames, making the process more efficient and effective. These early tools were the precursors to the sophisticated kitchen gadgets we use today, representing the beginning of a long tradition of culinary innovation. Early humans built hearths and ovens from stone. These structures allowed them to control the heat more precisely, leading to more consistent and reliable cooking results. The development of hearths and ovens marked a significant advancement in our culinary capabilities, enabling us to experiment with different cooking techniques and recipes. These early innovations laid the groundwork for the diverse and complex culinary traditions that we enjoy today. They learned to control heat for baking and roasting. This ability to manipulate fire opened up new possibilities for food preparation, allowing early humans to create a wider variety of dishes. Baking and roasting not only improved the taste and texture of food, but also made it more nutritious and easier to store. These advancements in cooking techniques were crucial for the development of human societies, providing a stable and reliable food supply. Simple tools for holding food over flames were developed. These early implements were the first step towards the complex kitchen gadgets we use today. They made cooking more efficient and allowed for greater experimentation with different methods and ingredients. The development of these tools was a testament to human ingenuity and our ability to adapt and innovate in the face of challenges. These early inventions were the ancestors of the tools we use today. From simple sticks and stones to modern ovens and stoves, the evolution of cooking tools reflects our ongoing quest to improve and refine our culinary techniques. Each new invention builds on the knowledge and experience of previous generations, creating a rich and diverse culinary heritage that continues to evolve and inspire. The story of cooking is a story of human ingenuity, creativity, and the relentless pursuit of better ways to nourish and delight ourselves. Before we continue, if you are enjoying this video, feel free to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to receive future updates. Over centuries, cooking tools evolved, reflecting the ingenuity and adaptability of human civilization. From the earliest days, humans have sought ways to make food preparation more efficient and effective. The mortar and pestle, a simple yet ingenious tool for grinding and mixing, has been used for thousands of years. This tool, often made from stone or wood, allowed early cooks to break down grains, herbs, and spices, unlocking new flavors and textures in their food. As technology advanced, so did the materials used in cooking. Pots and pans made from clay and metal began to appear, each offering unique benefits. Clay pots, for instance, provided even heat distribution and were ideal for slow-cooking stews and soups. Metal pans, on the other hand, were more durable and could withstand higher temperatures, making them perfect for frying and searing. These advancements in tools allowed for more complex cooking techniques to be developed. Chefs and home cooks alike could experiment with different methods, such as braising, roasting, and baking, expanding the culinary possibilities and leading to the rich tapestry of cuisines we enjoy today. The invention of the stove was a revolutionary moment in the history of cooking. Early stoves, often fueled by wood or coal, provided a dedicated and controllable heat source, which was a significant improvement over open fires. This innovation not only made cooking more efficient, but also safer and more consistent. Early stoves burned wood or coal, providing a dedicated heat source for cooking. These stoves were often the heart of the home, where families would gather not just to cook, but to stay warm and share stories. The ability to control the heat source meant that recipes could be more precise, leading to better and more reliable results. The stovetop, as we know it today, has simplified cooking and made it more accessible to people around the world. Modern stovetops, whether gas, electric, or induction, offer precise temperature control and a variety of cooking surfaces, making it easier than ever to prepare a wide range of dishes. The evolution from mortar and pestle to the modern stovetop represents a major step forward in the history of cooking technology. Each innovation has built upon the last, leading to the diverse and sophisticated culinary landscape we enjoy today. As we continue to innovate, who knows what the future of cooking will hold? The 20th century brought new advancements in convenience. The microwave oven, invented in the 1940s, revolutionized cooking speed. Suddenly, heating food took minutes instead of hours. The microwave became a staple in kitchens worldwide. The food processor, another key invention, automated chopping, slicing, and mixing. This saved time and effort in the kitchen. These appliances, focused on convenience, changed how people cooked and ate. They paved the way for even more advanced gadgets to come. As technology advanced, kitchens became smarter. Digital displays and programmable settings appeared on ovens and microwaves. These features offered greater precision and control over cooking. The rise of the internet brought connectivity to kitchen appliances. Smart refrigerators could create shopping lists based on their contents. Ovens could be preheated remotely. The kitchen was becoming more integrated with our digital lives. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is now transforming cooking gadgets. AI uses algorithms to learn and adapt. This means AI-powered devices can learn your preferences and adjust cooking settings accordingly. AI is being integrated into various kitchen appliances. Smart ovens can now recognize different foods and adjust cooking parameters automatically. AI-powered recipe apps can suggest meals based on your dietary needs and preferences. The possibilities of AI in the kitchen are vast and still being explored. Smart ovens are at the forefront of AI-powered cooking. These ovens are equipped with sensors and cameras. They can monitor food as it cooks, adjusting time and temperature for perfect results. Some smart ovens even offer voice control. Imagine saying, "Oven, cook this salmon to medium rare," and it happens automatically. This level of automation and precision makes cooking easier and more enjoyable. AI-powered recipe apps are revolutionizing meal planning. These apps take the guesswork out of finding recipes. They can suggest meals based on your dietary restrictions, available ingredients, and even your skill level. Need a quick and healthy vegetarian meal? An AI recipe app can provide options in seconds. These apps can also help you discover new cuisines and expand your culinary horizons. Robotic chefs take AI cooking to another level. These advanced machines can handle a wide range of cooking tasks, from chopping vegetables to plating dishes. While still in development, robotic chefs have the potential to revolutionize restaurants and home kitchens. Imagine a future where a robotic chef prepares your dinner while you relax. While widespread adoption is still some time away, robotic chefs represent the cutting edge of AI in the kitchen. The future of cooking gadgets is exciting. Imagine walking into your kitchen and being greeted by a suite of smart appliances that know your preferences and dietary needs. These gadgets are designed to make your cooking experience seamless and enjoyable. AI has the potential to make cooking easier, more personalized, and more enjoyable. With AI-powered cooking appliances, you can have a virtual assistant that helps you plan meals, suggests recipes based on the ingredients you have, and even guides you through the cooking process step by step. As technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more innovative and intelligent cooking gadgets to emerge. These gadgets will not only save you time, but also help you create dishes that are perfectly tailored to your taste. Imagine a refrigerator that can order groceries for you when you're running low, or a stove that adjusts its temperature automatically to ensure your food is cooked to perfection. Whether it's a smart oven that perfectly cooks your steak to your desired level of doneness, ensuring it's juicy and flavorful every time, or an AI recipe app that suggests a delicious new dish based on your dietary preferences and the ingredients you have on hand, the possibilities are endless. These apps can even provide nutritional information and suggest healthier alternatives to your favorite recipes. The future of cooking is here, and it's more exciting than ever. With advanced cooking technology, you can experiment with new cuisines, try out innovative cooking techniques, and impress your friends and family with your culinary skills. Embrace the possibilities and get ready for a more delicious future powered by AI. Imagine sharing a meal with your loved ones, knowing that the food was prepared with the help of cutting-edge technology that made the process easier and more enjoyable. The future of cooking is not just about convenience, it's about enhancing the joy of creating and sharing delicious meals. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to receive future updates.